Welcome back to Learn English with Ease. We're so happy you're here with us again.
Today we're recording in a beautiful setting.
Behind us, you can see a magnificent temple that looks like Angkor Wat.
Yes, it's peaceful and majestic at the same time.
The palm trees, the sunset, the reflection in the water, everything feels calm.
I love how the atmosphere feels grounded and meaningful.
And Anna, your traditional outfit today matches this background perfectly.
Thank you. I wanted to wear something elegant and culturally inspired.
The blue and gold details look beautiful.
Clothing can influence confidence, don't you think?
Absolutely. When you feel comfortable, you speak more calmly.
So, Tom, how are you today?
I'm feeling focused and thoughtful. How about you?
I'm feeling calm and ready to talk.
Perfect. Let's begin. Today, we're talking about how to speak English calmly under pressure.
Pressure can come from many situations.
Job interviews,
Presentations.
meeting new people.
Even ordering food in a busy restaurant.
Under pressure, our brain reacts differently,
Yes, we speak faster.
or we forget words.
Sometimes our mind goes completely blank.
The first strategy is simple: slow down.
But when people are nervous, they speak faster.
Exactly. It feels natural, but it makes things worse.
Speaking slowly gives your brain time to think,
It also makes you sound more confident.
even if you feel nervous inside.
Calm speech creates calm perception.
Another powerful tool is structure.
Yes, simple structure reduces stress.
For example, say first, second, finally.
This gives your mind a roadmap
It prevents panic.
and makes your message clearer.
Many learners panic after one small mistake.
But mistakes under pressure are normal.
Native speakers make mistakes too.
The difference is they continue speaking.
They don't stop completely.
Confidence is continuing after imperfection. Breathing is underrated.
Yes, taking a slow breath helps reset your brain.
Pauses are not weakness.
They show control,
Silence for 1 or 2 seconds feels long to you.
but natural to listeners.
What if we change how we see pressure?
You mean reframing it?
Yes, instead of saying, I'm nervous, say, I'm excited.
That changes your mindset,
Pressure is energy.
and energy can be useful,
It means you care.
and caring is powerful.
Speaking English under pressure doesn't require perfection.
It requires calmness and practice.
Slow down.
Use simple structure
Accept small mistakes.
and breathe.
If you want to improve your confidence in real-life English situations,
Subscribe to Learn English with Ease.
we upload calm and practical conversations regularly.
Practice with us step by step.
And keep building your English with confidence.
Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode.